This is a confirmed abusive return being unboxed in front of the delivery boy of Amazon. The delivery boy, and this person claimed that he is genuine and he is ordering the right product. But then later, immediately after receipt, he put a return request without our consent after agreeing to our terms and conditions that he will contact us if there is any problem. He simply put the request that it's a different item than what was ordered. So let's see what he has written. He had a defective RAM with him. Photograph. And most probably he has returned his defective RAM. Yep. Sticker missing from the product we shipped. And instead of 4 GB, returned a 2 GB RAM. Fraudster. अभी ये इसमें हमारा स्टिकर मिसिंग है और ये 4 GB की जगह 2 GB रैम भेजा है इसने उसी ब्रांड की. It's from Legally Pursue Family. This is the person's name and address. Abhishek. His complete name is Abhishek Singh. The address is slightly B128 Inder Enclave Phase 2, Kirti Suleiman Nagar, New Delhi 110086. Confirmed fraudster. He ordered a 4 GB Nanya DDR3 RAM and returning the 2 GB one. We have even WhatsApped him exact RAM with exact serial number what we shipped from our RAM with warranty sticker. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.